welcome to Mechanic. Today we will get a big shot. Next, I'm going to show you our hot steering microscope Super S. Okay, let's start. It's the current style with bracket. Microscope head. 2 observation eyepiece, 1 electronic eyepiece, and 1 ring light source. Okay, next I will introduce all details of Microscope Super S. This is standard zoomed. It's freeze frame function. That is, we can accurately locate on the appropriate focus magnification. It is also ergonomically designed to provide a comfortable feel and a smooth operation. Okay, next, let's move to another details. There are 3 eyepieces, 2 observation eyepiece and 1 electronic eyepiece. The eyepiece are the new PR model of Mechanic, which stands for Plan Acclimate, have a longer eyes point distance, a wide and flat field of view than the older WF model, so that electronic components can be observed without aberration or distortion, and at the same time effectively reduce eye fatigue. The unique internally slanted Trinocular optical system uses multiple internal total refractions to perfectly make observation eyepieces and the electronic eyepiece dispersion-free, high precision, high definition. We are responsible for good quality and a friendly environment, so we designed the full body shell material of microscope that is RAW certified. The microscope has 150 mm raw distance, which brings more operating space and moves the sample more freely, adjust the focus more easily. Here is all details of Microscope Super S. Thank you very much.